Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. It is Memorial Day Monday, and we're going to a meetup ride that I'm hosting, and today we have Martin and Crystal helping me out, and also Kevin in a meetup ride. So let's get to our meetup spot shortly. Let's get it. I'm obviously on my Super73 72 volt modified RX, and Martin's behind me riding the Onyx shorty version, 41 amp, and Crystal will be riding the Volcon Brat electric bike. She's already over there in the meetup spot, so we'll meet up with her there. We're only gonna go about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Yeah, it looks like it's 6 of us. Martin, Crystal, Kevin, Brian, and Philip. I didn't see anyone else. Yeah, so we're gonna get started pretty soon. Yeah, so it's like about 25 to 30 mile ride. There are restroom breaks, some street, but mainly bike paths. Cool. That looks good on you. Let me know what you feel about it, okay? Crystal's first time on the Volcon Brat, using a Super73 battery. It's a plug and play compatible because it's 48 volts and also has the same Higo connector. Philip has like a nice specialized pedal gravel bike, only about 39 pounds. Kevin has a DIY bike. Martin has my Onyx RCR, and Brian has the middrive that used to be Martin's bike. Crystal?
Yeah.
Ah, shoot, already? Dang it. Crystal with a flat tire already on the Volcon Brat e-bike. That sucks. Wow! Oh, that's like a 3-inch nail. Crystal, are you watching where you go? Cause no, I know. I mean, you always have a flat.
I saved all 4 of you guys.
Oh man! And it's always like big things that gets you. Do you not see it there?
Hey, are you blaming me for the way the road conditions?
No, I'm blaming you. Like, are you looking? It's somewhere here.
Yeah, you just want to take the tune out?
Alright, so I'm speeding back to my car. We patched Crystal's bike like 4 times and it's just not holding up air. So I'm just gonna pick her up with my car, and I'll probably just send her home and continue the bike ride with the guys. That's what it's come down to. We spent, over 30 minutes just trying to get that tire patched up and everything. All right, back to the ride, finally. Sent Crystal home. Now there's just 5 of us guys here. We probably lost, 40 minutes to an hour trying to patch that thing up, but it was just beyond repair. I think there was just a slow leak after like their 5th patching. Had Martin leading the group for now. We're gonna be here for a while, heading towards Santa Fe Dam area. Let's get it. Trying to blend in with these guys that are pedaling by pedaling myself. Why do I hear motors behind me? There's definitely motorbike or motorbikes behind me. Oh yeah, there's a few. Yep, they're behind us. I wonder where they're going. So loud. Don't look at me like that, woman. I'm not part of them. I am the quiet one. Thank you, sir. I'll take over here. We're the stealth kind of bikers. We're heading towards Duarte and Monrovia area, so we can continue on. El Canto Park would be our next stop, most likely. See if anyone wants to do like a restroom break or anything like that. So let's get it. Now approaching another bike path here in Duarte, so we're keeping it chill so far. Lots of baby strollers, lots of hikers and joggers, kind of keeping it regular here, even though I look like a dirt bike. Just try to blend in and not piss anyone off. Alright, just past Encanto Park, crossing the bridge here, and probably gonna head north towards Azusa and coming from Duarte. So far no one needs a bathroom break, so that's good. But we are losing light because we did lose that hour trying to patch that tire up, so let's ride a little fast. I think they like to ride fast. I was trying to keep it slow for them, but then they actually, I think they ride fast. Alright, let's punch it then. Look at those Azusa Mountains. Very nice. Almost there. We're just gonna touch the end of the bike lane and then head back. Here we go, more e-bikers. This is like a Super 73 gang. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4 Super 73s. The S1s, I think. Just up until the bridge. Okay, I'll get you guys. Alright, this is like a private spot. No trespassing, so we're just here to take pictures. Bunch of bugs in this area. Why'd you stop, Martin? Martin's just confusing us. You can see all the bugs in this area, so have a full face mask is very ideal. These pedal enthusiasts are going pretty decent speeds. What was supposed to be a leisure ride has now become a fast ride because we lost so much time with the Volcon e-bike with a flat tire situation. And now it's just us guys. We can just push the pace now. Alright, we made it back in Santa Fe Dam on the bike lanes here. They do, yeah. I typically would stop here already too. I'm trying to think, because there's two ways to go home, this way or that way. That way would be longer, so I'm gonna ask him what way they want. But the best thing is we can always catch them. But this is my favorite brake spot. What's your voltage? What's the voltage? 66? Oh yeah.
What about you?
73. Yeah, I started with more battery. What's that?
There was no path down over there, right?
There was a way to go back there, but yeah, we're pretty much the same now. We're just gonna go this way. All right. You guys are good? Battery? You good, Brian? Battery? Okay. Oh yeah, for sure. So make a left after the hill. funny. Martin is the one that might be low on battery.
Integrated battery is 100.
Oh, it has it's two batteries.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Got it. That makes sense. Well, looks like we're taking the long way back home, but it's all right. More riding time. I'm not too worried. I don't have 3 bars or 2 bars like Martin. All right, just dropped off Kevin. We're now gonna ride home. We're only like 2.5 miles away. All right, folks, that's gonna be today's e-bike vlog. Again, it's a bummer that the Volcon didn't get enough miles on him, but we'll try to get more content with that. I wanted to get Crystal's impression, but yeah, that flat tire just changed everything. Anyhow, stick around for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 or an aerial rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Now we could go to the county fair and eat. Yeah. It closes at 11, so we should have, a good 2 hours there.